One
Zamani,
night.
I've seen you leave with so many girls in the club.
Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Stella. Please do not forget to subscribe, comment, like and also share this video. Zamani Mphela is still trending after he was caught by his girlfriend Snee Mhlongo in bed with another girl. You guys, and Snee ended up posting this isfebe daughter as she referred to him on her Instagram and later deleted it. Now an old life of Zamani and Kamo Mphela has resurfaced when they were talking about one night stands. At some point, Kamo Mphela exposed Zamani Mphela for having multiple girlfriends, you guys. So without wasting your time, please check out this video.
Awesome. Bambina in your life. Shouldn't you be eating?
Oh.
Maybe I'm done for now.
Within white sheets.
Okay,
White
bye guys.
Okay. Oh, hello. I hope you just
Peace.
protected. Hey, bro, please.
Yeah, for real, Debs.
For real, for real.
Yeah, you know the vibes.
Okay. That's good. Just be safe, my brother. You know I care about
Cheers.
Be safe.
You know the vibes.
Protect yourself.
Shut up.
you. Shut up. Ay. This food is so good. Zamani, what's happening? Tell us about
What are
your
you guys
one night.
What are you wait. What are you guys doing? What time is it that side? Also.
It's 2:30.
Oh yeah.
Tell us about your one night stand. How about that?
I don't have. I don't have no cap. One night.
I've seen you leave with so many girls in the club.
Me.
Yeah.
Rest.
Zamani.
Rest.
Hmm.
I'm not even gonna try and say, oh, it's probably like my bruising and rest. The people, then you see how we gonna know that you capping is that the people that have seen me, mina, anglopi jevetso, anglopi, anje.
What do you know, Shuki?
Anglopi as in like, angnas no montana mangibona ukuthi ubanga isitefe, ulokushana lena le elokenza into engayiboni kahle, request ngami.
So, but that doesn't mean I'll Bambi. I've seen you at John Park. I've seen you. What's that club? What's that club behind Sandon? I'll tell you the places where I've seen you with girls, right? What's that club behind Sandon? That small one.
Behind what?
Oh, Onyx. Behind Onyx.
Oh, I can see you.
What's that club behind Onyx?
No, I'm saying uMontana uyahleka because uyabona ukuthi.
What's that club behind Santon? That's what I'm asking. The one where you were with
Michelangelo, Rouge
on the table.
Rouge, Onyx.
Rouge, right? Yeah, behind Onyx, yes. I've seen you at Rouge with girls. I've seen you at fucking John Park with girls. I've seen you at Marja Cafe before it was Gonga. But I've known you for how many? 2 years now.
Bro,
right?
you don't want me to go that deep, by the way, yeah?
I'm just saying, on period, that I've seen you. Don't pull a face, and you know it's true.
What is?
That I've seen you with girls. Am I lying? Am I delusional?
Damn.
Maybe I'm ghost.
Damn, bro. Me. Rest, guys. Rest. Go to Montana, they my cousins. But rest, dog, never. Can never be me, bro. Rest.
All right. Let me out. Let me go sleep. We'll probably just have vibes.
Yeah, seen the Linda.
No, not being honest, like not having an honest conversation. Me, I've never had
bro.
And I will still say to this day, I tried, but all of my one night stands turned into relationships. So that's what I'm saying with you. I've seen you with girls. That's what I'm saying. I've seen you with
Nah,
girls.
bro.
All right, cool.
Chris Brown.
Yeah, it's cool.
Chris Brown now, you are poor man. I'm
I
85.
I did not say they were your one night stands. I said I've seen.
Salayo, uyalala at. No trade, uyalala at. Rest with me, rest. Rest. Rest, dog. How are you? Yo,
I
mina oqala nje futhi ayike ngisaba njengokuthi nje uzothi vele uzothi yo ngondavela yo ubrepile ha nangadonswa ngendlebe ekhaya kwathiwa okwenzayo uyayimela wedwa ngathi
all right, Zamani.
arrest dog asidli asidli cheats cheats kwi-god asidli.
That's fine. Let me be out. Cause I'm not gonna stand this. I'm not gonna stand you lying. But it's cool. I feel like
if it feels like
that's
I'm
all period. Okay, that's fine. That's cool. That's cool.
cheers.
Let me out. Be out. Then I guess.
Never right now. We can McDonald's food.
They not McDonald's. This is Five Guys. Like it's the best actually.
Who's Five Guys?
Okay, so Five Guys. They have a patty. I actually just check it on my page. They have really good burgers. Like it actually tastes good. It's very good. Guys, why did he accidentally change it? Hi. People are fucking malicious.
Okusalayo mina bengithakathi masengithenga iPorsche mina. Funa bengithakathi. Begijime phezukwana kuthi ku. Buka.
What's taking Porsche?
Masengithengi.
Java Jegas, baby. What's your mobile one? Java Jegas. Java Jegas, baby. Cool.
Yebashaya itipa nje zishaya.
Say it. Okay. Java Jegas. Chubby, let me take a shot. Java Jegas, baby.
Cheers.
That's it, dog. Zaman.
Wala
That's
chapa.
way that.
Hey. Yazini. Shooter, and if you can't shoot me, you shoot ucela umuntu ozokutshela or whatever, shoot. And I'm giving you this. You can post it on your Instagram.
Mishimoni! Remati said,
Unwele.
Ke botsa Zamani ka thoto di bua wena. Now, like ke tsefenyetseo.
Get it, Chubby.
Which one is that one?
What am I saying, Chubby?
I don't have.
Sam what?
What am I saying?
I know yo.
Maka oksalayo. Mishimoni! Remati said,
Take this one. Wait, I want to give you something. Come.
What's the video called?
Don't video call it, please.
Yo.
I'm out. Good night. We'll speak.
Sharp.
Up.
Take care.